Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. Well guys, as you see from the thumbnail today, we'll be doing a little review on Deep's Shield. Shield is a ceramic foam sealant which is applied via snow foam lance. So here's just a few before clips of the water behaviour on this car. As you can see, the water sticks to it, floods all panels. There is no protection whatsoever on this car. So before we apply the snow foam, I mixed it at the ratio as it says on the bottle at 1:4. So I mixed 100ml of product to 400ml of water and applied via my MJJC snow foam lens. So one of the first things you notice about this product is the smell. It takes me back to when I was a kid, spending 2p on these little chewing gums. I'll insert a picture of them now, but that's what it smells of. Very, very sweet. And also, Deep claim that once you've applied this product to your vehicle, you should rinse off immediately and not let it dry on the panels. So, what does this product offer? It claims 6 months protection from one application. So I will be keeping an eye on this. This is my mother-in-law's car and I see it very regular. And on rinsing, you will notice that the water behaviour is insane. The water just doesn't want to hang around on these panels anymore. And the deep gloss shine that it gives the car is on another level. Honestly, this is probably one of my favourite ceramic snow foams. And these are becoming ever so popular, especially now with winter hitting. This is just a quick way of applying protection that will last you for the winter months. Just look at that for water behaviour, guys. Just remember the before where that panel was totally flooded to now. That water does not want to hang around on that panel. The difference is night and day. And guys, if you've used this Deep product, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts of how you got on with it. And while you're down there, I'll link Deep's links in the description. Go check them out, guys. Go follow them on all the socials and show them some love because they're going places. I was honestly blown away by this product. The deep gloss, as I've mentioned, was insane. The water behaviour, outstanding. And my neighbours must have thought I was absolutely wild because I was just out there for a good 10-15 minutes spraying water all over this car. And this is just a snip of me drying it. Makes drying a vehicle an absolute dawdle. So guys, I'd like to thank every single one of you that's taken the time out to watch this video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.